Welcome back, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. There is a serious echo in here. Sorry about that. I'm having a great day. I get to sand drywall today. No one ever says that because it's torture. It is torture. I don't have much sanding to do. I got lucky. I had the best install crew and tapers and mudders. So the ceiling is going to be textured, so you don't need to go overboard. I'm constantly having to hold myself back when finishing drywall. I really want those seams spread wide. I want it floated out to the end of the wall. Basically, I would like to do a level 5, even when I'm putting texture on. But I have to say, hey, handyman, you don't get paid to do all this. This is all extra that you're not getting paid for, so stick to the job. I'm gonna sand, I'm going to do a light spot treatment, sand again, and then spray texture on the ceiling. Yeah, spray texture. Going with a really fine orange peel on the ceiling. I got something to help me out though. It's either gonna help me out or it's gonna destroy the ceiling. We don't know yet. A lot of you probably know what this is. I just posted it to Instagram. A big honking drywall sanding device. It's got an electric motor on it. I believe it's got like a fan that blows through here, down to here, down to here, and into a tube that is somewhere. Vivor sent this to me for free. You can get this a lot of different places. I believe it's the same. It's rebranded and sold all over the place. On most of my drywall jobs, this is my vacuum sander. This attaches to here, just like that. This, it's got another attachment that goes on to adapts this to this and goes into my shop vac. What I plan to do is connect this to the shop vac somehow. This would be way overkill if you're just doing repairs. I use this all the time on repairs. When I gotta go into someone's house, it's occupied. I'll leave a link in the description. It costs hardly any money on Amazon. You get the drywall screens, not paper. So it's a screen that goes in here. So I'm gonna fabricable all this together and see what happens. There's a piece of drywall right here. This is just put up in front of this door. Ooh, it's got a trigger. I'm just gonna put it on there and see what happens to the paper. Man, that motor is burning. Breaking in, it's just breaking itself in. I'll be honest, it's still a serious shoulder workout for the ceiling, and I don't feel I have like full control over it. But on the walls, night and day difference, which is very interesting. It's like a piece of cake working it on the walls. I think I'm gonna go down in grits for some more ceiling action. Save this 120. Or 150, I'll probably go down to 100. I do smell some serious electrical smells coming out of this motor. It did come with extra brushes. So how did it work? It worked pretty good. There is a learning curve, a short learning curve. Shorten it up. You got to stay right underneath it. You can't go out too far or else it'll get a little whirly on you and you can start digging in. You don't want that to happen. I think it's going to be much more controllable and useful on the wall. I'm nowhere near done though. It's time to do hand sanding. Hand sanding is going to be at the corners, around corners, these transitions here, where the ceiling angles down. So I'm going to get on that next. I'm super excited. Alrighty, so I decided to give this a shot since I hated hand sanding so much in the corners. I believe this is all seized up. I just popped it on same way the old one came off and wait, there we go. It finally works. It was all seized up and was smoking. But it seemed like it's starting to work. After some review, the triangle attachment is not useful to getting into the corners. It only wants to travel in one direction. It's real easy for it to get out of balance or dig in and basically just ruin your drywall in a few seconds. Well, it's kind of sad. Sanding the ceiling is done. I mean, I wish I could do that every day, but it is done. There's a few little touch-ups that I got to go around and get. Around these lights, I got to feather some stuff out. We're doing a fine orange peel. I've got to, obviously mask off this beam, even though it is going to get fully wrapped. That might be it for this video. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Thank you. Goodbye.